Why does your scanner show the P040D engine code? What does it mean? P040D is a diagnostic trouble code for EGR temperature sensor A, circuit high. This engine code indicates that this code can cause an illuminated check engine light and various engine performance issues, such as lack of power, and requires diagnosis and repair of the sensor or its wiring to resolve. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGR temperature sensor, wiring and connector problems, PCM issues, soot buildup. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ram, Range Rover, and Ford models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.